Hello children, welcome to the Maths Digital class. Now we are going to discuss the interesting chapter geometry in this. The topic is lines and angles. Let us see what we are going to learn. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to explain basic geometry concepts such as point, line segment, straight line, ray and angles. Another also, compare and classify the angles. Divide the given lines into parallel lines, intersecting lines and perpendicular lines. Continuously, you will be able to classify line segments, lines and rays above the chapter. Let us start with topic with point. You can observe point A, B, C, D, E. You put a dot on a sheet of paper with a sharp pencil. A point A, point B, point C, point D, point E. A point is denoted by a capital letter. Capital A point, capital B a point, capital C a point and also capital D, capital E also points. Let us now go to the next line segment. Take a paper, fold it vertically, horizontally and crease it. After that, you open the paper. Just you are looking as a dot line at the end of point A, end of point B. It gives us an idea of line segment. See this line segment. A is one end point, another end of point is B. It has two endpoints named A and B. This is a line segment AB and also it is denoted by AB or BA. Imagine that the line segment AB extended beyond A in one direction and beyond B the opposite direction continuously. AB is a line segment. In this figure, you can observe A extended to this side, B is also extended to this side. You now get the representation of a line. This line is denoted by AB. You can write the symbol of line. It is also denoted by lowercase letter such as small l, m, n, etc. Children, let us now discuss about ray. We have learned about line segment, line. Line have two arrow marks. In ray, you can observe A is end point, sun rays, light rays, rays from a torch or some examples of the geometrical ideas of a ray. A ray is a part of a line. It begins at a point, initial point that is A and goes on endlessly in specified direction from B. You can observe the figure. Thus, a ray has only one end point. Let A be a point on a line. B and C are 2 points on the same line on either side of A, then AB and AC are two rays. Children, now we have learned point, line segment, line, ray. Now we are going to discuss about the types of angles. Observe two hands of the wall clock. An angle is formed between the two hands of the clock. What is an angle? The union of two rays with common end point from angle. Two rays forming an angle are called the arms or sides of the angle. The common end point called the vertex of the angle. Observe the slide. Here two rays OA and OB are two arms or sides of the angle. O is the vertex of the angle. Since the angle is formed at O, we read it as angle AOB or angle BOA. It is denoted by symbol angle AOB or angle BOA, or simply we can read as angle O. Now we will learn about parallel lines. Children, image the edges of scale and railway track. What is the special in this pair of lines? Would they meet it extended them without changing the direction? No. Edges of scale and railway track are not meet any place. Two lines on a plane do not intersect each other at any point. They are called parallel lines. Example, L and M are two parallel lines. They are not intersecting any place. Here, L and M are parallel lines. We write as mathematical symbol parallel L parallel M and read it as a L is parallel to M. Next one, intersecting lines. You can observe the picture here. L and M are meet at point P. If two distinct lines L and M meet each other at a point P, then they are called intersecting lines. These lines have a common point. Next one, perpendicular lines. See the picture. L is a one line, M is another line. Two lines are intersecting at O with the angle with 90 degrees or right angle. If two lines intersecting each other at right angles, that is 90 degrees, then the lines are perpendicular. It will be shown as line L is perpendicular to line M. We write it as L perpendicular to M. Children, now we can do one activity about types of angles. Take two straws, keep one end of straw over the other straw end, fix with pin. Now we can show the types of angles. You move the one straw, you maintain like English alphabetical L. It is called a right angle. You come down slowly, it is called acute angle. You can go right side also, you can get above 90 degrees, it is called obtuse angle. You can maintain straight this angle, you move completely, you will get complete angle. Types of angles you can observe. Zero angle is 0 degrees, right angle is 90 degrees, straight angle 180 degrees, complete angle 360 degrees, acute angle between 0 degrees and 90 degrees, obtuse angle between 90 degrees and 180 degrees, reflex angle between 180 degrees and 360 degrees. Children, now we learn about pairs of angles. In this first angle is 40 degrees, second angle is 50 degrees. We can add this 40 degrees, 50 degrees is equal 90 degrees. You get the answer 90 degrees, that is called complementary angles. If the sum of two angles is 90 degrees, then the angles are called complementary angles. I have taken 40 degrees and 50 degrees. You have taken any example 30 degrees plus 60 degrees is equal to 90 degrees. 20 degrees plus 70 degrees is equal to 90 degrees. Anything. The sum of any two angles is 90 degrees, then angles are called complementary angles. Next one. Here you can observe first angle is 50 degrees and second angle is 130 degrees. You can add 50 plus 130, we will get 180 degrees. Think what is the name of the angle? Yes, this angle is supplementary angle. If the sum of two angles is 180 degrees, then the angles are called supplementary angles. Next one. You can observe OA is one ray, OB is also one ray, OC is common ray, O is common point, OC is a common point. The angle have a common arm and common vertex are called adjacent angles. Common arm. OC is a common arm of OA and OB. Common vertex O of angle AOC, angle BOC. These angles are called adjacent angles. The angles have a common arm and common vertex are called as adjacent angles. In this figure, OC is common arm, O is a common vertex. Here in this figure, angle AOC and angle COB are adjacent angles. You can observe angle POR, angle QOR. Have you are already learned about adjacent angles. In this figure, you can observe angle POR is 60 degrees, angle QOR is 120 degrees. You can add this one. 60 plus 120 is 180 degrees is called a straight angle. This is a linear pair. A pair of adjacent angles whose sum is a straight angle or 180 degrees is called a linear pair. Common arm. OC is a common arm, common vertex O of angle AOC, angle BOC. These angles are called adjacent angles. The angles have a common arm and common vertex are called as adjacent angles. In this figure, OC is common arm, O is a common vertex. Here in this figure, angle AOC and angle COB are adjacent angles. You can observe angle POR, angle QOR. Have you are already learned about adjacent angles. In this figure, you can observe angle POR is 60 degrees, angle QOR is 120 degrees. You can add this one. 60 plus 120 is 180 degrees is called a straight angle. This is a linear pair. A pair of adjacent angles whose sum is a straight angle or 180 degrees is called a linear pair. Next one, vertically opposite angles. When two lines intersect that are formed opposite to each other at the point of vertex or intersection point are called vertically opposite angles. In this figure, lines AB, CD are intersecting at O. Angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. Angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. These are vertically opposite angles. Now let us learn transversal and angles made by the transversal. Look at the slide. Here LM are two lines N intersecting in different points N, therefore, it is called a transversal. A line which intersects two or more lines at distinct points is called a transversal. Angle made by the transversal. Here you can observe L and M are two lines. N is a transversal. Make 8 angles: angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7, angle 8. L and M are two lines, N is transversal. You can observe angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6 are inside of the L and M lines. Therefore, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6 are called interior angles. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 7, angle 8 are outside of the L and N. Therefore, angle 1, angle 2, angle 7, angle 8 are called exterior angles. Angle 1, angle 5 are one side of the transversal. And think angle 1 is exterior angle, angle 5 is interior angle. Angle 2 is exterior, angle 6 is interior. It is also one side. Angle 3, angle 7, it is also one side. Angle 3 is interior, angle 7 is exterior. Last one. Angle 4, angle 8, it is also one side. Angle 4 is inside, angle 8 is outside. These angles lie on the different vertices, same side of transversal, and one is interior angle and another is exterior angle. Above pair angles are called corresponding angles. Angles made by the transversal. Here you can observe L and M are two lines, N is transversal. You can observe angle 3 and angle 5 have a different vertices either side of the transversal. One is right side, one is left side, it is interior angles. You can observe angle 4 and 6. Angle 4 is left side, angle 6 is right side, it is also interior. These angles are called alternate interior angles. Angle 1, angle 7. Angle 1 is left side exterior, angle 7 right side exterior. Angle 2, angle 8. 2 is right side exterior, angle 8 is left side exterior. These angles called alternate exterior angles. You can observe angle 4, angle 5 is interior angles, same side of the transversal line. Angle 3 and 6 are also same side interior angles. These angles are called co-interior angles. Children, let us discuss transversal and parallel lines and properties of angles and them. Now observe the slide. Angle 1 is equal to angle 5. These are one side of transversal line, one is exterior, one is interior. Again, angle 2 is equal to 6. It is also exterior, one interior, and angle 3 is equal to 7. It is also one interior, one exterior, and last one angle 4 is equal to angle 8. It is also one side. It is angle 4 is equal to angle 8. It is one side of the transversal line. These angles are called corresponding angles. If two lines are parallel, then their corresponding angles are equal. Next one, you can observe the figure. L, M, two lines, N is transversal. 3 is equal to angle 5. It is interior and right side and left side. Again, angle 4 is equal to angle 6. It is also interior. One is left side, one is right side. Angle 1 is equal to angle 7. It is exterior. Angle 2 is equal to angle 8. If two lines are parallel, then their alternative interior and alternate exterior angles are equal. Next property, L and M are two lines, N is transversal. Here you can observe angle 4 and 5, angle 3 and 6. Angle 3 and 6 is equal to 180. Angle 4 plus 5 is equal to 180. If two lines are parallel, then the co-interior angles are supplementary. Dear children, once recap the topic. A ray is a part of a line. A part of a line with two endpoints is called a line segment. The union of two rays with common endpoint forms angle. If two distinct lines L and M meet each other at a point P, then they are called intersecting lines. If two lines on a plane do not intersect each other at any point, they are called parallel lines. If the sum of two angles is 90 degrees, then the angles are called complementary angles. If the sum of two angles is 180 degrees, then the angles are called supplementary angles. The angles having a common arm and common vertex are called adjacent angles. A pair of adjacent angles whose sum is a straight angle or 180 degrees is called a linear pair. A line which intersects two or more lines at distinct points is called a transversal. Children, now I am giving evaluation. You can try to complete it or else take the help of your teacher. First one, name the following from the figure. Any 5 points, any 5 line segments, any 3 rays, any 2 lines. See the picture. ABCD is a rectangle. Write the pairs of parallel lines, perpendicular lines and also intersecting lines. Third one, classify the following angles into acute, obtuse, straight and reflex angles. Fourth one, observe the following figures and write the types of the angles formed. Fifth one, Anusha says, each angle, any pair of complementary angle is always acute. Do you agree with her statement? Why? You can write the statement. Sixth one, you can observe the picture. From the given figure, find the pairs of adjacent angles and vertically opposite angles. Seventh one, observe the adjacent figure and write exterior and interior angles. From adjacent figure, write corresponding alternate interior, alternate exterior angles from the adjacent figure. Children, this is the topic of lines and angles. Have a nice day. Thank you.